In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add footer in Carrd. Start by heading to the Carrd website and opening your dashboard. From there, click into the site you want to edit. You'll land in the builder where we'll set up the structure for your footer. Open the Add menu and choose Container. When the Container panel appears, you'll see an option to pick the layout. Default gives you a single block that's perfect for a simple, centered line of text or a couple of icons. Columns gives you multiple side-by-side areas, which is great if you want things like quick links on one side and social icons or a short description on the other. Choose the option that fits your content plan and click Done. You'll see the new container placed on your page. Drag this container all the way to the bottom, and this is going to be the home for your footer content. If you want the footer to visually separate from the rest of the page, you can plan on giving it a different background color or extra padding later. Keeping spacing consistent with the rest of your site will help it feel intentional and polished. Now let's tell Carrd where the footer starts so it behaves correctly across your whole page. Open the Add menu again and select Control. In the Control settings, open the Type dropdown and choose Footer Marker. The footer marker is a structural flag for Carrd. It identifies the boundary where your footer begins, so the builder knows to treat everything that follows as part of the footer area. Place this marker immediately before the footer container you just moved. If it drops somewhere else, simply drag the control element so it sits directly above your footer container in the layer list or on the canvas. Order matters here. Elements below the footer marker are considered footer content, while everything above remains part of your main sections. Click Done to confirm. With the structure in place, you can now add your actual footer content inside the container. Typical items include a short copyright line, minimal navigation, social icons, or a contact button. Keep it concise and readable. If you chose columns, distribute content logically so it feels balanced on desktop and stacks cleanly on mobile. Before wrapping up, preview your page and scroll to the bottom. Make sure the footer appears consistently and nothing unrelated slipped below the marker. If something looks off, check that the footer marker sits directly above the footer container and that no stray elements are underneath it. And that's it. Your footer is set up in Carrd, ready for you to style and fill with the essentials your visitors need.